When it comes to project management tools, two of the most popular names are Monday.com and Taskworld. But when it comes to user friendliness, which one takes the crown? In this video, we're diving into both platforms to figure out which one is more intuitive, easy to use, and ultimately the best option for your team. Stick around because I'll be showing you some surprises that could change your perspective by the end. Starting with Monday.com, it's widely known for its colorful and visually appealing interface. The layout is clean, and the drag and drop features make it seem simple at first glance. But here's the catch: while it looks good, sometimes that beauty can come at the cost of clarity. Many users report getting lost in its wide array of features. The learning curve can be steep, especially for teams who are new to project management software. The customizable workflows are great, but can feel overwhelming for beginners. Not to mention, the sheer volume of templates available can be both a blessing and a curse. It's easy to get stuck on choosing the right one. Next thing, let's talk about Taskworld. At first, Taskworld seems like a more straightforward alternative. The interface is clean, but it's also a bit more basic compared to Monday.com's design. That might appeal to some users who prefer simplicity. However, Taskworld's lack of customizable templates is a drawback, especially for teams that want to set up their workflows quickly. It doesn't have the same level of customization options that Monday.com offers, which could be a deal breaker for teams who need something more tailored to their needs. The third thing to consider is integrations. Monday.com excels in this area, with hundreds of third-party integrations to help sync data across various platforms. Whether it's Google Drive, Slack, or even Jira, Monday.com has a solid list of integrations that make it incredibly versatile. But this can also be a double-edged sword. More integrations mean more setup time and potentially more confusion for users trying to figure out how to connect everything. Taskworld isn't too far behind, with a decent range of integrations, though not as many as Monday.com. It does have some key integrations like Slack and Google Calendar, but the number of apps it syncs with is noticeably smaller. If integrations are a top priority for you, Monday.com definitely wins out in this category, but Taskworld isn't too far behind either. The fourth thing is task management. Monday.com uses boards that let you track tasks visually, but sometimes this can lead to clutter if not organized correctly. It's easy to lose track of things, especially if you have multiple projects going at once. Taskworld, on the other hand, has a simple task list that allows for easy management without the overwhelming visual noise. However, it lacks some of the advanced features for task automation that Monday.com offers, which could limit its potential for more complex teams. Now, let's talk about pricing. Monday.com is on the more expensive side, especially for smaller teams. While it offers a ton of features, you're paying for a lot of them, and for smaller teams or startups, this can be a challenge. Taskworld, on the other hand, offers a more budget-friendly approach. But again, that lower price tag comes with fewer advanced features, which may limit growth for teams looking to scale quickly. Now that we've seen the pros and cons of both, I want to point out something important. Both Monday.com and Taskworld have their strengths, but there's one major thing that holds them back when it comes to user-friendliness. Both platforms are great, but they lack that seamless simplicity that truly makes project management a breeze. If you're someone who wants something that's both easy to use and flexible without overwhelming features, there's a better alternative I've found. After trying out both platforms myself, I have to say that there's a solution that beats them both when it comes to ease of use and practicality. If you want a smoother experience, I recommend checking out the link in the description below for a free trial to this incredible alternative. With the link, you'll get the best trial available, along with exclusive benefits only offered to viewers of this channel.